Wait! Okay, don't skip this one. I need to tell you about my weekend plans disaster.
This should be good. Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
So, my sister asked me what my plans are for next weekend.
Okay, simple enough. What did you say?
I said, I visit her on Saturday. I bring pizza. We watch movies.
Wait, all present tense about something that hasn't even happened yet?
All present tense, about the future.
Oh, Ben!
She just said, wait, you visit me every Saturday now? Since when?
She thought it was a new permanent schedule.
Apparently, my future plans sound like a lifelong commitment now.
Okay, this is exactly why today's lesson matters. If you haven't watched episode 6 yet, go watch it first. We covered past tense, and today we're finishing the puzzle.
The final tense, future.
Exactly. So, future tense is for things that haven't happened yet. Plans, promises, predictions, anything that's still ahead of us.
Okay, so how do we actually build it?
The most common way is super simple. Subject plus will plus the base verb.
That's it? No changes to the verb?
No changes at all. Ben, tell me something you'll do tomorrow.
I will call my sister tomorrow, and this time correctly.
Perfect. I will call. Let's do a few more. What will you eat for dinner tonight?
I will probably order pasta or pizza. Honestly, it depends on my mood.
Very honest answer. My turn. I will finish work early today, and then I will go for a walk.
2 future actions in 1 sentence. Nice.
Exactly. You can stack them together naturally.
Let me try that. I will clean my apartment this weekend, and I will actually mean it this time.
We'll see about that.
What about weather? Can we predict things too?
Absolutely. That's actually one of the most common uses. Look outside. What do you think will happen?
Those clouds look heavy. I think it will rain later.
Perfect prediction. It will rain. Not it rains, not it's raining. It will rain because it hasn't happened yet.
What about you? Any predictions?
I predict you will forget your umbrella anyway.
Hey, that's oddly specific and probably true.
I know you too well.
Okay, give me more examples. I want to really get this.
Sure, she will graduate next year. They will move to a new apartment in the spring. We will celebrate your birthday next month.
I noticed something. Will stays exactly the same every time. She will. They will. We will.
Exactly. That's the beauty of this tense. One word, no changes, works for everyone.
Compared to past tense with all those irregular verbs, this feels like a vacation.
Enjoy it while it lasts. Now, what if you want to say something will not happen?
Like saying no about the future?
Exactly. We just add not after will. Will not, or the short form, won't.
Won't. That's easy to say.
It is. Ben, tell me something you won't do tomorrow.
I won't wake up early. That's just not happening.
Honest and grammatically perfect. Let's do more. I won't skip breakfast tomorrow. I promise myself that every night.
Does it work?
Rarely, but the sentence is still correct.
Fair enough. She won't join us this weekend. She's busy with work. They won't arrive until Friday. We won't finish this project on time, probably.
All perfect examples. Notice the pattern, will not or won't, plus the base verb every single time.
What about questions? How do we ask about the future?
For questions, we just move will to the front. Will you come to the party?
Will she finish on time?
Will they arrive early?
Will we ever stop practicing grammar?
Not until you're fully confident. Let's keep going. Ben, will you help me practice tonight?
Yes, I will. Every night if you need it.
Will you bring pizza this weekend?
Yes, I will. Extra cheese, as always.
Will you actually clean your apartment this time?
No, I won't. Let's be honest with each other today.
I appreciate the honesty. Now, notice something about those answers. Yes, I will. No, I won't. Short, natural answers.
We don't need a full sentence every time.
Exactly. In real conversation, short answers sound much more natural than repeating the whole question back.
That actually makes sense. Nobody talks in full sentences all the time.
Right. Let's practice a few more. Will it rain tomorrow?
I don't know, but I hope not. Will you travel anywhere next month?
Yes, I will. I'm actually planning a trip to visit my grandmother.
That's nice. Will she be surprised?
I don't think so. I already told her. Will your sister forgive you for the whole present tense confusion?
Eventually, probably after I bring the pizza I promised.
See? You're already thinking in future tense naturally now.
I actually am. This feels a lot easier than I expected.
Okay, Ben, now I want to show you something interesting. There's actually a second way to talk about the future.
Wait, another one? I thought will was the whole thing.
Just one more, and it's actually really useful. This one is going to.
Going to. Like, I am going to the store?
Similar structure, but different meaning here. We use going to for plans we already decided before the moment of speaking.
So it's different from will.
A little. Will is often for decisions we make right now, in the moment, or for predictions. Going to is for plans we already made.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I am going to visit my grandmother next week. I already bought the train ticket. It's already planned.
Oh, I see. So if you just decided right now, you'd say will.
Exactly. Like if you suddenly said, you know what? I will come with you. That's a decision happening right now.
But if I already planned it yesterday,
Then you'd say, I am going to come with you. Already decided, already planned.
let me try. I am going to clean my apartment this weekend. I actually put it on my calendar already.
Perfect example. And I hope you actually do it this time.
No promises. What's the structure exactly?
Subject plus am, is, or are plus going to plus the base verb.
So it's like present continuous, but with going to added.
Exactly that. You're catching patterns fast today.
Let me try more. She is going to start a new job next month. They are going to move to a bigger apartment. We are going to celebrate together.
All correct. Notice am, is, are changes depending on the subject, but going to itself never changes.
What about negative sentences with this one?
Same idea. Just add not after am, is, or are. I am not going to skip breakfast tomorrow. She is not going to join us. They are not going to be late.
And questions?
Move am, is, or are to the front. Are you going to visit your sister this weekend?
Yes, I am. And I already bought the pizza, so there's no backing out now.
Good. No more present tense confusion for her.
Is Emma going to finish her project on time?
I'm going to try, but no promises there either.
Are we going to practice this every single episode?
Only until you stop mixing up your tenses.
Fair. So quickly, what's the real difference again? Will versus going to.
Will for decisions in the moment or predictions. Going to for plans already made before now.
So if I say it's going to rain, what does that mean?
That means you see dark clouds right now. Evidence already exists. If you said it will rain, that's more of a general prediction without necessarily seeing evidence.
Oh, that's actually a really clear difference.
It takes practice, but once you notice it, you'll hear it everywhere in real conversations. Let me tell you a story that actually happened to me last week.
Okay, I'm listening.
So I was getting ready for work and I looked outside. The sky was completely gray.
Uh-oh.
I thought to myself, it's going to rain. I could already see it in the clouds.
So that's going to because you saw the evidence.
Exactly. So I grabbed my umbrella. Then, while I was walking to the bus stop, my coworker texted me.
What did she say?
She said, I will be a little late today. Traffic is bad. That was her decision in the moment, deciding to text me right then.
So that's will, a spontaneous message.
Exactly right. Then I replied, no problem. I will wait for you at the cafe.
Another will, because you decided that right in the moment too.
Perfect. Now, here's the twist. I already knew I was going to get coffee that morning. I'd planned it the night before.
So that part should be going to.
Exactly. I texted her, I'm going to order your usual, just tell me when you arrive.
Wow, I actually followed the whole story and caught every tense.
You did. Now it's your turn. Tell me a story about your future plans using both will and going to.
Okay, let me think. Tomorrow, I am going to visit my sister. I already told her I'm coming, so it's already planned.
Good start.
But if she asks me to bring something last minute, I will just say yes immediately because that's a decision in the moment.
Perfect example.
And I predict she will still be a little annoyed about the whole present tense thing.
That's a very reasonable prediction.
I am going to apologize properly this time. I already planned what I'm going to say.
That's real growth, Ben, grammatically and emotionally. Now let's talk about mistakes learners often make with future tense.
Oh, this should be familiar territory for me.
The first one, forgetting will completely and just saying the base verb.
Like saying, I call you tomorrow instead of I will call you tomorrow?
Exactly that mistake. Without will, it sounds like a habit, not a future plan.
I definitely did that with my sister.
The second mistake, using will and going to interchangeably without thinking about the meaning.
Like using will for something already planned?
Right. If you already bought tickets for a concert, you wouldn't say, I will go to the concert. You'd say, I am going to go because it's already decided.
That's a subtle difference, but I think I understand it now.
The third mistake, forgetting the base form after going to. Some learners say, I am going to went, which is completely incorrect.
Wait, why would anyone say went there?
Sometimes learners think about the meaning and accidentally think in past tense while speaking. It happens more than you'd expect.
Good to know. What's the fix?
Always the base verb after going to. I am going to go, not I am going to went.
Got it. What else?
One more, adding will and going to together in the same phrase, like I will going to eat. That's mixing two structures that shouldn't be combined.
Oh, I could see myself doing that by accident.
It's common, especially when learners are still getting comfortable with both forms.
So the rule is pick one, will or going to, never both together.
Exactly. Quick practice. Correct this sentence. Tomorrow I visit my friend.
Tomorrow I will visit my friend, or I am going to visit my friend, if it was already planned.
Both correct, depending on context. One more. She will going to call you.
She is going to call you, or she will call you, not both together.
Perfect. You caught both mistakes immediately. Let's do something fun. Imagine a scenario together and let's build sentences from it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Everyone listening, imagine this scenario with us too.
Yes, follow along and try building your own sentence in your head.
Imagine it's Friday evening. You're sitting at home and you suddenly remember tomorrow is your friend's birthday.
Oh no, I forgot completely.
Exactly. So in that moment, what would you decide to do?
I will buy a gift first thing tomorrow morning.
Perfect. That's a decision made right in the moment. Now imagine a week later, you're planning a small party for another friend. You've already booked a restaurant and invited people.
I am going to host a dinner party next Saturday. Everything is already arranged.
Exactly right. See how the situation changes which tense feels natural?
Yeah, it's not really about right or wrong, it's about when the decision happened.
Exactly. One more scenario, and this time try answering out loud before Ben does. You're looking at dark clouds outside right now.
It's going to rain. I can already see it.
And now imagine someone unexpectedly asks you to grab an umbrella for them on your way out.
Sure, I'll grab one for you too.
Perfect. A spontaneous decision right in that moment.
This is actually starting to feel natural. I'm not translating in my head anymore. I'm just choosing based on the situation.
That's exactly the goal. Once you feel the difference, you stop needing the rules. And for everyone listening, try this yourself today. Notice one plan you already made and one decision you make in the moment. See which tense fits each one. All right, let's review everything we covered today.
Future tense, the final piece of the grammar puzzle.
We learned will plus the base verb for decisions made in the moment and for predictions.
And going to for plans already decided before now.
Exactly. We covered negative sentences, will not or won't, and am, is, are plus not going to.
And questions moving will or am is are to the front.
Perfect summary. And we covered the biggest mistakes. Forgetting will completely, mixing up will and going to, and combining both together by accident.
I actually feel confident about all three tenses now. Present, past, and future.
You've come a long way since episode 1, Ben.
I know. I used to freeze just saying, how's it going?
And now you're building future tense sentences naturally mid-conversation.
Speaking of which, I actually have to go call my sister now. I finally know how to say this properly.
Go ahead. I'll wait.
I am going to call her right now, and I will apologize properly this time.
Perfect sentence. Both tenses correctly used.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
If this series helped you, remember, grammar isn't about memorizing endless rules. It's about noticing patterns and using them until they feel natural.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep speaking.
This has been our grammar series. Present, past, and future tense. All wrapped up.
But that doesn't mean we're done with grammar completely.
Wait, there's more?
Just a little. In our next episode, we're tackling something that trips up almost every English learner. Past continuous.
Past continuous? What's that?
The tense for when one thing was happening and suddenly something else interrupted it.
Oh, like when I was making coffee this morning and my phone rang.
Exactly like that. See, you already understand it, you just don't know the name yet.
I'm actually curious now.
I'll see you all in the next episode.
Bye for now.